Hi everyone, my name is Mackenzie and I work in the marketing department at SoundTraxx, and I'm very excited to announce that we have launched our brand new website. You can see it here. There are some really fun new features in the website that will make it a lot easier for you to navigate and use. For example, our new website is scalable. So as I'll show you here, the website scales to different sizes, so you can enjoy our content on your mobile devices and your tablets a lot easier than you could with our website in the past. This is the home page. You'll see things like featured videos, featured products, new announcements and stuff like that. I'll make it big again for the video. This section right here is a really good section. Quick links to important places that you'll want to visit on our website. You get to the products, manuals, documentation, reference documents, or new videos. We've got some good information to help you choose the right sound system. You can listen to sound samples. Decoder Selector. This was a very helpful tool in picking the right decoder for your specific model. And Sound Primer. We also have a customer comment section where we highlight comments from you, our customers. And then we've got our social media links here. You can like and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter. And down here in the footer of every page, we have a sign up for our newsletter. So you can quickly sign up for our monthly newsletter. You can be among the first to hear when we have exciting new promotions, new product announcements, all things SoundTraxx there. So let's dig into exploring the new website. So we're going to go through the navigation bar up here so you can find where all of our old pages and some new content are located. I'm going to start here with the SoundTraxx logo. You can click the logo or the home button on any page to get back to where we are at now. Next up is company. And under company we have history. We have all of our authorized retailers, the trade shows and events that we're going to be attending, and any open career positions we have at SoundTraxx. I'm going to click on authorized retailers here. So we now have two different ways that you can look for a SoundTraxx retailer in your area. You can use the map and you can zoom in and physically see who's close to your area and pull up some information about their store. Or you can come down and you can search by country and narrow that down to region and see the retailers in your area. You can also see that the retailers in purple have a link to their website. Retailers in gray do not have a website. Our next tab here is products. I'm going to click on Tsunami 2 here, and right away you get a little snippet of what Tsunami 2 is, and you have the products here with a Shop Now button. We'll come back to that in a minute, but that is a new feature on this new website. If you scroll down past the products, you can learn about the features. You can compare them with Tsunami decoders and Economy decoders. You can get to the sound samples, read a little bit more about steam, diesel, and electric specific features. You can see some of the most recent videos we've done on the product, and you've got some quick links here too. Let's go back up here and let's click on a product. So now you can see that we've got the decoders available for sale through our website. You can choose your part number here. Part number changes when you choose your sound profile. If you're not sure which decoder you need, for example EMD or EMD-2, you can come down here. We've got some more information that's decoder specific for you. Dimensions, stall current, function outputs, sound channel, stuff like that. And we also have product documentation. And under this product documentation, you can see we have our sound selection references. And this will help you choose which decoder you need, EMD or EMD-2. Just click on the sound selection reference for EMD. And once you click on it, you're going to get the sound selection reference. We've got all of the air horns available on the EMD decoders, the bells, the prime movers, this is where you'll want to pay attention, because if we go back and we click on the EMD-2, you'll notice a list of different EMD prime movers. And so those references are here to help you pick between different part numbers. You can also find what speakers are compatible with this particular decoder here and go directly to their page to purchase them. And if you're not sure from the sound selection reference which prime mover you want, you can also come to our sound samples down here and you can listen to every one of our prime mover sound samples here. We also have all of the air horns, and we also have the steam and electric sounds here. So the economy and the Tsunami sound card decoder pages are formatted very similarly to this. You'll find your reference documents and your speakers and everything there as well. And then accessories are broken out into categories so that you can quickly find the accessories that you're looking for. Next up is our reference tab, and this is where you're going to find our decoder selector, sound samples, videos, other documentation, reference documents, application notes, stuff like that. Our manuals, got a few links here for choosing the right sound system, and information on factory installed decoders. That's where you'll find things like the Bachman and the Athearn CV sheets. Gonna go ahead and click on the manuals tab here. You'll see we have manuals for the current product lines and the discontinued product lines. And click on Tsunami 2. So you've got your installation guide, your steam owner's manuals, diesel and electric. And each Tsunami 2 decoder line has its user's guide, technical reference, sound, and then the sound selection references. You're always going to want to start with the user's guide. The technical references for more advanced users, so always start with the user's guide and then use the sound selection references to pick your decoder. So let's also go back to the reference tab and go to the decoder selector, because this is a great tool for choosing a decoder for your model. Start by picking your scale. We're going to pick HO scale here, and let's go into Athearn, and you can see we've got pretty extensive list of models, steam and diesel. We also have the corresponding Tsunami 2 part numbers that will fit in there, in some cases economy, and we also have the speaker and baffle that you're going to want to use. So let's look at this first one here, Steam Challenger. It's purple because it's got a link. We have a sheet here that also lists all the part numbers that you're going to need and all the tools and the difficulty level of the install here. We don't have this for every model out there, but we do have quite a few models. As you can see, all the purple ones have a link to a sheet like that. And you can see that 2018 and newer model of this Challenger, you're going to want to use a Tsunami 2 21P NEM. And if you click on that, it will go to the product page, so you can add that to your cart right there. And if you don't want Tsunami 2, you can use Economy, and you also have links here to the speaker and the baffle that you're going to want. And we have this for N scale, HO, S, O, and G scale. Multiple manufacturers in each. So this is a great tool for you to use to pick the right decoder for your model the first time. The next tab we have here is our support tab, where you can go to learn about troubleshooting, our decoder warranty policy, product repair, license agreement, service request form. This is what you're going to want to fill out before you send your decoder and send this with it, so we have all the information we need to fix your decoder and get it back to you, and our support staff. So let's click on troubleshooting here. You can see we've got some common issues and some answers to why you might be having these issues. And if you can't find what you're looking for here, you can always go to the videos tab. We have lots of videos to help you figure out what's going on with your decoder and how to use the feature. We have even more videos on our YouTube channel, so make sure you're subscribed to that. If you can't find what you're looking for on our YouTube channel or on our website, you can always get a hold of our support staff. We have a full-time support staff. Josh is our support representative, and he's here to answer all of your questions. We also have our product expert George, who you will recognize from our videos. And speaking of getting into contact with us, our last tab here is our contact tab, where you can get a hold of our support department, our sales department, or give us feedback on our products. Each one of these links to a contact form that you just fill out and submit, and we will get right back to you as soon as we can. That's it. That's our new website. We're very excited to have it. There's tons of information packed into this website, and we want to be able to help you find it all. So if you have any questions, please email our marketing team directly at smarketing@soundtraxx.com, and we hope that you'll have a great experience using our new website. We think this will be a great tool for you, so let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.